Welcome students, this is your fine arts painting theory class. We will start with the Deccan School. In Deccan School, from unit 2, we have 3 paintings. Ragini Pathamsika from Ahmednagar School, Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro from Hyderabad School, and Chand Bibi playing polo from Golconda School. Today, we will read about the painting Ragini Pathamsika. The artist of this painting is unknown. Time period of this painting is 1590 to 95 AD and it belongs to Ahmednagar School. Technique of this painting is tempera and medium is watercolor on paper. We can see this painting in National Museum, New Delhi. Now the subject matter. This is a vertical painting of Ragini Pathamsika. It has been drawn from Raga Hans Dhwani. Importance of music has been shown in this painting. Now the description part. Concentrate on the painting and look at the picture for the description. The compositional arrangement of this painting is very appealing. 3 female figures have been arranged very beautifully. Ragini Pathamsika has been shown sitting on a seat in the middle of the pavilion. Here you can see in between the 2 ladies, she is Ragini Pathamsika. She is holding veena on red colored throne. She is shown wearing full decorated blue and transparent white cloth. On the both side of her, 2 female attendants have been shown in different poses. A toy elephant and golden color water pot have been shown in the front part of the painting. Red carpet on the floor has been beautifully contrasted against the greenish yellow floral background. To balance it, more than half part of the painting is covered with green and yellow color. Orange red color dome has been shown above it. In the rear part of the pavilion, 5 domes can be seen, 2 black at the extreme ends with the blue one in the center and 2 golden tombs beside the blue tomb. You can see black and blue tombs have golden motifs. All the pillars and tombs have been arranged symmetrically. Ladies are shown in thin and profile faces. Ladies' transparent clothes shows Mughal impact. Lines are thin, hard and rhythmic. At the top of the painting, an inscription have been mentioned. So this is the description of Ragini Pathamsika. Thank you.